In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram this channel cannot be displayed. Now, this error typically occurs due to content restrictions, regional blocks, or account-related issues. So here are some of the most effective ways to actually fix it. Number one is to disable sensitive content filtering. Now, to do that, all you want to do is you want to go to the search bar just like so, and then you want to go ahead and add the Nicegram bot right over here. So yep, here it is. You should be able to find it. It will say Nicegram bot, and all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on it just like so. And as you're able to tell, I already did go ahead and actually use the Nicegram bot, but if you never used it before, then you want to go ahead and press on /start just like so, and then over here it is going to walk you through all these steps that you will need in order to turn off your restrictions. So again, this really is up to you if you want to go ahead and do this, guys. And so yeah, that is actually one option that you guys have as well. Now let's go ahead and talk about regional restrictions. So if a channel is restricted in your country due to local laws, then a VPN can help by masking your IP address. So to do this, you'll need to install a trusted VPN application like Proton VPN, NordVPN, or free options like TunnelBear. Then you need to connect to a server in a country with fewer restrictions, such as the Netherlands or Canada, and then open up the Telegram application and try accessing the channel. Another thing that actually does play a factor is where you downloaded Telegram. So if you downloaded Telegram from the Google Play Store or the App Store, it is going to come with significantly more stricter content filters. So I personally do think it is worth uninstalling the Telegram application on your phone, and then you can go ahead and install Telegram from the official Telegram website. So here's what we do. We need to go ahead and just press on uninstall right over here. Then we need to go ahead and open up any web browser, and then go ahead and just look up Telegram download right over here, and then you're going to see this option that says Telegram for Android. And guys, please make sure you only download from the official telegram.com website. Any other website is not going to work, or .org I should say. I apologize, but like I'm saying, any other website is not going to work, and you just want to go ahead and press on download Telegram right over here, and yep, now it will begin to install. So when you actually download it from Telegram itself, there's going to be less content restrictions. So again, that is definitely something that you guys could do. All right, it is now going to begin installing. Then let's just go ahead and press on install right over here. Then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on open, and it is basically going to be like Telegram like you normally, would expect, except there is going to be less content filters. So go ahead and try it, see if this works. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.